Two dogs. It's freezing, guys. It's Friday the 3rd of January. Hello, hello, hello. Dave's got his ball there. Right. The goal of today is this. This is part 3 of the noise that my van's making. So as I showed you yesterday, there's diesel below the injectors. So I've now got an injector replacement kit. So what I'm going to do is get all these out, replace the seals and see if this van will start. But it's freezing, so we'll see how it goes. And there's not much bloody room under there, is there? But we'll see anyway. Right, we're back in 2. Right, I've only been on job 15 minutes and I'm freezing. So I've got my car here with the window open and I just stick my hand in there and warm my fingers up. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is start taking all this to bits. I've undone them 3 injector connectors. This one's held on by a cable tie, so I'm going to cut that and get that off. Obviously that needs repairing at some point, so I'll come back when I've taken all them off and taken these pipes off as well. I had to have another 5-minute warm hand break. So I've got them pipes off and I've left them the order I took them off. So obviously that was the number 1, I'm assuming number 1's at the front. Number 2, number 3, number 4. There's them 2 clamp things with them bolt thingies. So if we look here now, let me get this bloody light on. I've just moved that loom out of the way and there's a stupid little plastic pipe that's in fucking way as well. So you can see the injectors there now, look, and you can see the puddle of diesel at the bottom of it on all of them. So I'm going to get them out now. I'm guessing that I just fucking get them out with a fucking spanner or something. Right, let me give that a go. Right, number 1 and number 4 came out dead easy. In fact, that I had to twist it a little bit and pull it out. That were as loose as out. But the other 2, the one in the middle, they move from side to side, but I can't seem to pull them up for some reason. And the other thing as well is, are they supposed to be that dirty? I have no idea. I've never done injectors before, but anyway, we'll see. Right, so I'll carry on. I'll try and get these other 2 out now, these 2 middle ones. Right, I've got them all out now. I have no idea if they're clean or what. And all that diesel shit fucking ran down there. So I'm guessing that shouldn't have happened. But I don't know where that goes. So it looks like I can see the valves or something in there. So I'm guessing all that shit's just running into engine. So what I'm going to do now is get a rag and try and clean up all that. And then we'll see how it goes. Right, we've got these them seals out, 4 of them. 2 of them fell out easy, 2 of them I had to use a bit of a screwdriver to get them out. So what I'm going to do now is I'll clean these up. I don't know if you need to do that or whatever, but I'll clean them up and we'll see what happens. Right, I've spent about half an hour trying to clean these, but as you can see they're pretty shitty. to be honest with you. So I don't know what the crack is, but they're proper filthy, them, aren't they? I don't know if they're supposed to be really shiny or what, but anyway. I've had my little wire brush on them, so I've had this on them, just trying to, you know, clean them and stuff like that. Same with these things, these clamp things, these pipe things I've not touched, but they're in order as well. So that's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is pipe 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to start putting it back together now. But anyway, so these are the old bolts and the old seals. So I've got a new kit. So I'm guessing that this is fuel injector seal washer O-ring, Ford Transit Mark 7 2.4. So I'm guessing I just, wherever I see, you know, a seal, I'll just replace it like for like, sort of thing. Right, I'll get this open, and then what I'll do is I'll lay these out on the seat so we can see. Right, so there's the 2 brand new bolt things, there's them 4 big seal things, and then there's 4 little copper washer things and 4 little green things, and my battery light's flashing, so I'll be back in a minute. Right, all them new seal things are in now. What a ball ache that is, man. Especially that back, and you can't bloody, what you've got to do is sort of like push it in square. I know you can't really see out, but they're all in now. So I just use loads of grease to get it going, and then just sort of like push it down square. So I'm guessing now that I put the injectors back in, so I will give that a go. Oh, in this kit there's like 4 little copper washers, so I'm guessing that replaces them washers there. So I'll do that and then I'll put them in. Right, I'm hoping everything's back to how it was. I've tightened everything up. The injectors are back in. One of the injectors wouldn't go in, the back one, obviously, because it's fucking furthest away and you can't see it. So I think it might be a bit bent, to be honest with you, if that makes sense. But anyway, the other thing I noticed as well was, I know they've got supposed to have a copper washer on end of it. 2 of the injectors had fucking 2 of them on. So I don't know what the hell that was about, but I pulled them off anyway. I'm assuming they're only supposed to have 1 on. So I'm hoping everything's alright. So I need to connect the battery and crank it over and see what happens. So I'll put the camera back on when I've connected the batteries and we'll see what happens. Right guys, I've just connected the battery now. I don't know, does it self bleed? Because I've had these pipes off, will it just force the fuel through? I don't know. I have no idea. I've never done a diesel before. I've had to put that cable tie, well, a new cable tie back on, because obviously that clip is broke off that. So let's see what happens, eh? Right, it's obviously Where's the turbo? The turbo's there. Look, it's fucking... I can grab hold of the turbo, so it's stone cold, is that? So this is genuinely going to be the first time. Oh. Right. I'm hoping it's going to start. Here we go. Oh, you bastard. I think battery's flat. Fuck's sake. Right, 2 minutes while I put this booster on. I don't know what good it'll do, but 2 minutes. Right. Try again. What? Fuck's sake. Right, I've got my jump leads connected to the car. So we'll see if that'll do it. I better put handbrake on. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, I can't put bastard handbrake on. Right. Let's try this. Jesus, that battery must be proper flat. I'll stick booster pack on. Right, I've sort of like been revving it for a bit. And I don't know if you can see that, but I've got like a thing holding throttle down. So we'll give it another go. Oh, it must be slipping off that bloody thing. I'll rev it a bit more. I'll get a few more revs and then we'll try it again. Right, I've tried for about half an hour to fucking get this engine started, and I think I'm gonna have to fuck off. I need to bleed it, but I don't know how. So I've tried googling it. It says remove the grey cap. Fucking which grey cap? Anyway, I'm guessing it's something to do with this. But the batteries are flat as fart anyway, so what I need to do is take the batteries off, get home, because I've had enough now anyway. So right guys, keep watching. There'll be another part. Bye. Right, I'm back home, battery's on charge. I'll charge that other one tonight and then I'll go back down tomorrow, but in the meantime I'll learn how to Google how to fucking bleed a 2.4 Transit 2012 rear wheel drive engine. But if you know, let me know please. But if not, I'll Google it anyway and just see what I can do. But anyway, continue tomorrow.